This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make churros without Maida full guide. Start by gathering ingredients: alternative flour, water, butter, eggs, oil, and sugar for coating. Heat water and butter until simmering, then add flour gradually while stirring to form a smooth paste. Allow the dough to cool slightly before adding eggs one at a time. Pipe strips into hot oil, fry until golden, then roll in cinnamon sugar and serve warm. In this video, I will explain how to make churros without Maida full guide. Measure all ingredients and set them within arm's reach to streamline the cooking process. Combine your chosen flours, a pinch of salt, and optional spices in a bowl. Heat water and butter in a saucepan until it simmers, then whisk in the dry mix off heat. Knead briefly to form a smooth dough, then let it rest while you prepare the frying oil to the correct temperature. In this video, I will review how to make churros without Maida full guide. Quick recommendation: if you want to store leftovers, bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers that keep churros crisp and prevent spills during transport. I find them handy for picnics and sharing with friends after frying a big batch. If you like this tip, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to make churros without Maida full guide. Work methodically. Cook the dough cool, then mix in eggs until glossy. Transfer dough to a piping bag fitted with a star tip and pipe 4 to 6 inch strips directly into 350 degrees F oil. Fry until deep golden, turning once for even color. Drain on paper towel, then toss in cinnamon sugar while still hot so the sugar sticks well and the texture stays crisp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.